What is the similarity and difference between plural nouns and possessive nouns? The similarity is that both sets of words have an S at the end, whether it is a plural noun or a possessive noun. The reasons are different though. One makes the word plural and one shows possession. When S is added to the noun, it makes it plural and it means more than one. For example, a group of hens, a group of cooks, a group of boys, etc. Whereas in a possessive noun, if you add an S with an apostrophe, it shows who has ownership of that item, like the hen's roost, the boy's pencil, etc. The rule is to remember, when you add an S to make a plural, do not use an apostrophe. So when do you add an apostrophe? Most possessive nouns will have an apostrophe, but where you put that apostrophe can be confusing. Here are a few general rules to follow. If the noun is plural, add the apostrophe after the S. For example, the dog's bones. If the noun is singular and ends in S, you should also put the apostrophe after the S. For example, the dress is blue color. On the other hand, if the noun is singular and does not end with an S, you will add the apostrophe before the S. For example, the lizard's tail.